Hi, welcome again to our chemistry class. In today's class, we are going to deal with Jamb past questions. So, happy listening. Question 1. An aqueous solution of a metal salt M gives a white precipitate with sodium hydroxide which dissolves in excess sodium hydroxide. With aqueous ammonia, the solution of M also gives a white precipitate which dissolves in excess ammonia. Therefore, the cation in M is A. Zinc ion, B. Calcium ion, C. Aluminium ion, D. Lead 2 ion. The answer to this question is A. It is zinc ion out of the four of them that will form white precipitate in drops and dissolve in excess in both sodium hydroxide and aqueous ammonia. So it will form white precipitate and dissolve in excess in both reagents. So A is correct. So the correct option is option 3. Number 2. What is the concentration of a solution containing 2 grams of sodium hydroxide in 100 cm cube of solution? Na equal to 23, O equal to 16, H equal to 1. Now, the options are given. Now, let's see. Solution. Now, the solution, look for the molar mass of this first. They have given you parameters to use and look for molar mass of NaOH. They said Na is equal to 23. Add that to that of oxygen, which is 16. Add that to that of hydrogen, which is 1. Total of 40. That's gram per mole. This is the molar mass. Now use this this volume. Divide this by this to get mole. What they are giving you is in gram. Take it to mole by dividing this by this. And that will be mole equal to mass over molar mass, which is that value, which will give you substitute 2 all over as 2 gram all over 40 gram per mole. Now gram will cancel out gram. You are left with 2 divided by 40. As 0.05 mole. Okay, this is not the answer. You have gotten in mole, not in mole per dm cube is the concentration. Now, what you need to do from here is that this is in 100 cm cube. You can say 0.05 mole is equivalent to 100 cm cube. Then changing it to 1000, which is in dm cube, 1000 dm cube, you now say what mole, which I don't know, x mole. will now be in 1000 cm cube. Then cross multiply this to this, cross multiply this to this. That will now give you x equal to this times this, 0.05 times 1000 all over 100. These two can cancel out these two. 10 times this. Move decimal point one place to the right, and you have your x to be 0.5 mole per dm cube. Now check the options. I think B is correct. Yes, B is correct. Remember, it's still the same. B is correct. B is correct. How many options do I have? A is not correct. B is correct. Okay. Question number 3. How many atoms are present in 6.0 gram of magnesium? They have given you mass of magnesium, atomic mass to be 24. They have given you the constant to be 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 mole. So these are the options. Let's see. Solution. 1 mole of this is this, which is equal to this. So you write 24 equal to 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Now, having done that, what they gave in question is 6.0. So 6.0 gram will be what? You don't know. Cross multiply this by this, cross multiply this by this. And that will be, find your x. X will now be 6.0 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 all over 24. Now your x will be, let's do it together, 6.02.0 times 6.02 times 10 to power 23 divided by 24. That gives you 1.505. Approximately approximate this place and make it 1. That will be 1.51 times 10 to power 23. I believe you are following. Okay.